Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. I'm Nora, and today we're going to talk about the implications of removing your ebook from KDP Select. And we're going to specifically talk about the topic of KDP Select versus going wide. So if you're thinking of pulling your ebook from KDP Select, hold up. Let me tell you why that decision might leave you regretting it, unless you're ready to hustle 24/7. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about KDP Selects. When you're in it, you're exclusively on Amazon. You get the perks like Kindle Unlimited, which means more readers could discover your book and hopefully binge read their way through your entire catalog. It sounds great, doesn't it? But what happens when you do go wide? So what do I mean by going wide? Going wide, which means making your ebook available on multiple platforms. This actually sounds amazing in theory. More stores, more readers, more sales, right? Not so fast. Here's the hard truth. Gaining traction on non-Amazon platforms can feel like shouting into the void. So if you're going wide, you have to promote all the time. It's not optional. You'll need a clear strategy and a lot of time. Let's break it down. So first, you'll need to run ads. And we're talking about Facebook ads, BookBub, Amazon ads, and maybe even Google ads. Each of these platforms has its own learning curve, and you'll need to experiment to find out what works best for your books. Then there's the pricing strategy. On platforms like Kobo or Apple Books, competitive pricing or break your sales. So it's really important to experiment with free promotions, discounts, or even bundling up your books. But remember, this does require constant tweaking and analysis. So if you are not keeping a close eye on your campaigns, your budget can evaporate really, really fast. Now, if you've got a series, here's the secret sauce. Put the first book up for free on every platform. Yes, you heard me right, free. Think of it as the gateway drug for readers. If your story is compelling, if your story is engaging, exciting, readers will want to buy the next book and the one after that. But you just can't set it and forget it. You need to promote the heck out of it on social media, on newsletters, and anywhere your audience hangs out. Speaking of social media, engaging with readers is a full-time job in itself. Just the process of creating posts, interacting in a genre-specific groups, and share behind-the-scenes looks into your writing process. This helps build your brand and it keeps your name in front of readers. It's really rewarding, but it's also very time-consuming as well. So what if you don't have a series? My advice, stay in KDP Select. Why? Because KDP Select offers tools that are specifically made for solo books. You can run promotions from like Kindle countdown deals or free days to boost visibility. And the best part, you don't have to juggle multiple platforms. Now, don't underestimate Kindle Unlimited. Readers love the all-you-can-read model. And if your book performs well, you'll need a steady stream of income. You also earn the steady stream of income from page reads alone. This specifically is very helpful if you're working on your next book and you don't have time for constant promotion. So what's the verdict? If you're an experienced marketer with a serious and a solid promotional strategy, going wide could be a great move. But if you're just starting out and don't have the time to manage multiple platforms, stick with KDP Select. Build your audience there, master one platform, and expand when you're ready. So here's some quick strategies for whichever path you decide to choose. Number one, for KDP Select, use Kindle countdown deals to boost visibility and run ads to increase sales and page reads. For going wide, offer your first book for free. Focus on building an email list and run cross-platform ad campaigns. What about if you decide either way? Then you would get engaged with your readers, whether through newsletters, social media, or even YouTube videos like this one. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss on more tips and strategies to help you with publishing on Amazon KDP.